Everything's brand new, but you're in a classic old building that's got charm. I remember being in this very apartment with you several months ago when the sheetrock and insulation wasn't yet up. We were talking about the plaster and lathe that was all exposed, that you could see in the open walls that was poking through the flooring and through the old wall structures. All that stuff's been removed. This part of the building's been insulated and sheetrocked. This apartment's been painted. You can see the new electrical services in. We can see the new bathroom is in. It's tiled. The shower pan is set. We can see that this is where the kitchen layout is going to happen. This is our wet wall here because we see the water supply and the drain line. We see all the electricity outlets to code lining up against the wall where the countertops are going to be. George, in this apartment, we increased the size of the window openings in a lot of the windows to create more light and air. And so this is a great feature. This window used to be less wide and less tall, but we opened it up and it just brings in some air. It gives access to light and air where it wasn't existing before. This is a big space. This is another 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment. Again, central HVAC, laundry in unit, parking, some outdoor space. Everything's brand new, but you're in a classic old building that's got charm. It's a masonry building. So there's detail on the outside that you could just never replace today. So this building is very charming visually. And rather than knock it down and build ground up, we chose to keep the structure, reinforce it, improve the masonry, put a new roof on, run all brand new systems, plumbing, electric, everything's new. And we have a great new product that sits right in the middle of the marketplace for price point and qualities.